Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to make the Skibidi Toilet in Infinity Craft. So here you have water, you will add fire to the water, now you have steam, you will add another steam on top of it, then you have the cloud, then you will add water to the cloud, then you have a rain, add another water and you will create the rainbow. That's the first one. Then you will add earth below it, add water on top, this will create a plant. Now you add wind to it, wind, and that will create a dandelion. Then add water on top of it, then you have wine, add another water on top of it, this will create holy water, and this will get wine on top. A Catholic church, then you will add the rainbow to the Catholic church is gay. Then you will add one below that will say water, add another water, now you have a lake. Now you do another one with fire, and another fire will create a volcano, and then the volcano to the lake, this will create an island. So now you will add another island on top, this will create a continent, and now you will add a lake to the continent, and this will create US America. And from US America we create another one below it with fire, create another one with fire, now you have the volcano. And then you do the island on top, and then you will have Hawaii, and Hawaii you will add US America on top, and then you have Obama, then US America again, and this will create change. So now you will add gay to change, and this will create trade, add gay on top of it, and this will create buy, and buy on buy will create B. Then you will add another one with a lake. Let me see, here's the lake. Add another lake on top of it, this will create an ocean. Add another ocean on top, this will create a sea. And here we'll go add another one with US America, do a continent on top of US America. And then you have North America, and then you will add another continent on top. And then you have Canada, and from Canada you will add it to the sea, and it will create PC. Then we create change on top, this will create BD, and then we add by, this will create bit. And then we go below, we create by to bit, and this will create BDB. And then we have another one with earth, we create one earth, with earth will create mountain. Then we add wind on top, and then we have avalanche, and avalanche with avalanche creates snow. Then we do another one, this is fire, then we create steam. Wait, let me create fire, and then we add steam to it. Let me see, steam, then we create the engine, and on the engine we do another cloud, and this will create a jet. Then we add water, and this will create a plane. So the plane to the snow will create ski, and then ski to skibidi will create skibidi. So then you have a plant, you will create a new one with plant, add water on top, and then you will have a swamp. Then you will create another plant, you will put that one on it, and this will create a Venus flytrap. Then you'll create another one with dandelion. Let me see where it is. I just saw it right here somewhere. Then let's see, dandelion. And then you will add a plant, and then you create wheat. And with the earth, you create one with earth, wind. You see wind. And we will have dust, and the dust with the wheat creates clean, and the clean with the Venus trap creates toilet. So that's our first step. Then we create another one with our plant, then we create another plant on top of it. Then we have a tree, we add water to the tree. Then we have a river, and on the river we add earth. Let me see, and we have delta. So from delta we create another one, a new one, and let's see where it is, the tree. So here we have the tree, then we add the river on top, right here. Then we have paper, and with paper another one we create book. And the book, if we get it with delta, this will create alphabet. Put another alphabet on top. This will make the word. And with the word we add mountain. Let me see where the mountain is. Oh, mountain. Here we create on top of the word, we create mountain. And then we have mouth. Then we add word on top. This will create talk. So now we make another one with earth. Fire. This will create lava. Add water on top of the lava. Create stone. Add lava on top of the stone. Then we have obsidian, and on the obsidian we will add another stone. This will create a blade, and we add another stone on top of it, and this will create an axe. Then another stone on it, and this will create a head. So now we have a head, and we add it to the talk. This will create talking. This will create a chatterbox. We add head on top of the chatterbox, and we create a talking head. So now we have a couple steps left. This is just, we add toilet to talking head. This will say talking toilet. And then we have Skibidi to talking toilet. And this will create Skibidi Toilet. So that's it. Thank you for watching.